My name is Bruce Lee, founder and CEO of Keebeck Wealth Management. In the wealth management business, I've often said when you're working for a large bank or an institution, they have all those individuals, held within a structure. But when you're an independent, finding the right individuals to help you with those types of issues, you have to kind of what I call build a digital army. And so when Wealth.com came around, I actually did an extensive amount of research. I had to say, do I even understand this? And if I do, and it looks simple and elegant, it's usually a go button for me. And I felt that Wealth.com had that particular it factor when it came to understanding what the client was looking for. So then when we tell them, hey, we've got a technology that can do it quicker, better, faster, it's met with some skepticism. I'm so used to having a physical individual talk to me about my trust and estate, but after the education process, the amount of requests to continue to reuse Wealth.com was very, very high. And now it's a tool where it's almost second nature to us. Never get too comfortable with the way you're doing business. Less than, I think it's 17% of the next gen is going to use their old advisor. We believe those children are going to be using these technologies as more as their trusted advisors. It brought us closer to the client because we were willing to be innovative with them as opposed to just being that old-fashioned advisor. I think every advisor has the same challenges, where they're trying to communicate to their client in a very even manner, right? So you want your largest client and your smallest client to have the same outcome. Wealth.com democratized all that because it doesn't matter how much money you have. We felt that that was a perfect solution.